Hi everybody, this is our second lesson for our Term 2 Maths. We are going to learn to read and order three-digit numbers. And we've got a little guest here, Mrs. Zappo.
Good morning, everyone.
We're learning how to be very technical today. Alright, we are going to pop this up as a link so you can watch this video as part of your maths warm-up today. Alright. Have a look at the numbers on the screen right now. We're going to order these three-digit numbers from the least to the greatest, so from the smallest to the biggest. All right, and while you're doing that, I want you to look in the hundreds column first. All right, that will tell you what the smallest three-digit number is, and so on. I wonder if you're writing them down right now and getting ready to check, because I'm just about to hit onto the next slide, Mrs. Zappo.
Okay.
All right, so the students will be writing this down at home. Clicking onto the next slide, you could pause it here if you needed some more time. All right, and looking on the next screen.
Let's order these three-digit numbers
There's
from
Mrs.
least to
Aldridge's
greatest.
voiceover in the background. It still comes through. All right, so it should look like this on your screen. The first number is 234. The second number is 454. And the last number, the biggest number, is 832. Let's continue. All right, we are going to do the same thing again. These numbers are all in the 200s though. It makes it a little bit trickier. All right, you can pause it here so you can write it down. And I'll click onto the next one in just a moment.
Let's order.
All right, so from smallest to biggest, your numbers will look like this: 205, 224, 255. What do you think, Mrs. Zappo?
Sounds pretty good.
All right, today your activity looks like this. This is in page 2 of your maths workbook that you collected from school. All right, and you're ordering each set of numbers below from the greatest to the least. So a little bit differently to what we just did. This one's asking you to start with the biggest and then go through down to the smallest. All right, they haven't made it easy for you because the numbers, if you look, are close together. So these numbers are all in the hundreds. All right, these numbers are close together too. However, there is one in the 300s. These are all in the 200s and so on. So if you look, you can see that they haven't made it super duper easy. All right, so you'll need to really think and concentrate, looking in the tens column especially. All right, there is also a second page as well if you want to extend yourself, and this is in page 3 of your maths workbook. And Miss Aldridge has included down the bottom here some extra 4-digit ones that you can be doing. All right, looking in the thousands column followed by the hundreds column to figure out those ones. So you can work on those ones today, all right? And we look forward to seeing your work. All right, goodbye.